Oh my god. That's what I'm saying. They're so close. Dude, there's so many here. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I've never seen this many before. This is dangerous. You gotta watch your shot. Dude, they're all on my left. Should we take our first one? Okay, we'll be ready to take our first ones. Right here. Oh, we could take these. Oh my god. Okay, be ready to take these next ones. We're gonna take the next ones. Okay. Ready? Shut up! Oh! I don't know if I wanted to take more than one.
What the hell?
Did you miss?
Okay, you know, I got him. Okay.
Where'd he go? Unless you want to just let it drift back. Do you remember where it's at? Dog. I don't know if we want to keep shooting you because this is, I'm like, we're gonna look.
I want to pick the
Big ones. I want to pick them out. Oh my god.
I guess wait.
Yeah, they should be.
I lost them.
Okay, we'll take the short lines. They'll come back.
Yeah, it was weird.
This is oh, too full? Yeah, you get like really small lead now. Yeah, they're going nuts on these tails. I want the big boys. Oh my god, this is heaven right here. Oh my goodness. Oh!
Oh, there's 3 big ones.
Is there?
Yeah. Right?
I don't know. Oh, are we on the middle right there? Yeah, I can't tell. Yeah. What are they though, huh? Should we take it just to fuck it? Yeah. Well, you can. Can you reach that far? Like your swing?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Wait. Oh, Okay, ready? Should we just flat them?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, drop 2. Oh, the snow's coming down, bro. So that's 4 so far. Shit. I got it. Yes. No, as long as the wind's pushing our right, I think we should be fine. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell between these bigger ones. Dude, these are perfect shots. Yeah, they're coming exactly how I imagined it. Dude, they're on my left. Coming. Ready? Oh. Shoot it! Nice work, dog. That was good shooting. Okay, I think we should pick these ones up though. Let's pick them up and then get a head count. Oh my god, they're still coming in, dude. Look at this. Look, they're coming in with all this. Oh, that's a drake right there, I think. The one that just landed that decoy. I think I saw his color. Okay, let's pick up. And that one way out there. Nice little teal. Oh, right here, dude. Tay. Nice green wing right there. No, those are the same group that we saw. They circled around. Dude, he's right next to me. Look at that. I could grab it. What? Oh! That's good. I think I'm gonna take him. I think I'm taking him. I think that's a female. I don't know what it is though. Should we shoot it? Okay. That's it, man. Yeah, let it. Get out. Should we take these? Just take them. Oh, how did I miss? I think that one I missed was a Millardo. Mallard. I don't think I put enough lead in that. I don't know. That is it. What a trip. What a quick trip. All the work paid off. Like always. Woo! All right. I cover yours up. All right. Woo! Finish strong, man. Finish strong. My fingertips are freezing.